Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And of course, one of the things that I get asked every time something new and a major update happens is there a way for me to not get the April 2019 update, at least for now? So, of course, when Microsoft releases an update, there's a few different steps that happen. The first release is going slow and goes to machines that they know are going to be okay with the update. Then they actually push it to pretty much everyone when they're pretty much ready to push it, which means that when you go to Windows Update by accident, or you just turn on your PC, you might actually have it download and install. But some of you don't want to have it necessarily immediately. You'll have to move on to this version eventually, but when it gets here, one of the things that people will want to know is, how do I defer this update? So there are two types of updates in Windows 10. There's the cumulative updates that are for security and bug fixes that we get typically every month, but there's the feature updates, where a feature update it's one of those big versions. So the April 2018 update was a feature update. The October 2018 update was a feature update. The April 2019 update is a feature update. You can actually use a trick to defer these, and it's to use the metered connection trick. How do you do that? You simply go to your internet connection at the bottom of the screen on the taskbar, and you will right click on it, and you will open Network and Internet Settings. Here you will go into that Change Connection Properties, and if you go down, you'll see something called Metered Connection. If you turn this on, this means that now, if you have a major update like the April 2019 update, it won't actually download on your PC. So this is the way that you can actually defer the updates of the April 2019 update. So once again, all you have to do is simply click on your connection. So mine is a little set of waves. I'm on Wi-Fi. If you're connected with a cable, you'll have the cable plugged in. Simply click on it. Simply go into Network and Internet Settings, or right click on it, go to Network and Internet Settings. You'll see your connection at the top. Click Change Connection Properties and just turn on Metered Connection. This will defer that update for as long as Metered Connection is selected. So that means you can wait 6 months if you want. You can wait a year if you want, and you won't get it. But once you turn it off, you will be able to get that update. It will show up in your Windows updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.